At Role Model, a key part of our vision is developing leaders and launching careers through the role model way of mentorship. This starts for us with the Craftsmanship Academy. We take a craftsmanship mindset to the way that we train up new software developers. Our immersion phase focuses on building a solid foundation in the skills and ways of thinking that junior team members will need to be able to sit alongside experts on real-world projects and glean from their wisdom and understanding in context. This foundation also helps enable them to launch into the apprenticeship phase where they can grow alongside our team members for the years to come.
My name is Gavin O'Melia. I'm from right here in Raleigh, North Carolina.
My name is Luke Simmons, technically Lucas Simmons, but I never go by Lucas. So I'm from California, Southern California, about 30 minutes from Disneyland, and then my family moved to Arkansas whenever I was 11, and now I've jumped all the way from the west to the east here.
I'm Oliver Stevens, and I don't really know where I'm from because I've moved all over the place like 17 times, so when people ask me, I just say America.
My name is Robin Dennis. I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina.
I got started programming with my dad. My dad used to work here at Role Model a bunch of years ago. And so I've always kind of been interested in computer programming growing up and did a bunch of coding exercises with my dad. And then I went to school out in Idaho to a tiny little liberal arts college. And after I graduated there, I decided I wanted to pursue computer programming as a career.
I just always knew growing up that I really liked making stuff. I loved solving problems, everything. And I played a lot of video games growing up, like every kid in the 21st century. And I always wanted to learn how to make those. And so I eventually figured out how, and it turned out that it was programming. And then, realized that maybe game development is the most profitable thing in the world. Can't really support a family off of that. And so now I'm here.
I have a biochemistry degree from NC State, and a couple years ago I realized I wasn't really happy with where my career was at, so I was looking and kind of exploring different career changes. My friend had just changed careers into software, and he was talking about his experience, and it really resonated with me. I thought I'd be good at it, so I decided to start pursuing software development too. I ended up taking the free Harvard CS50 course, as well as some other courses at Wig Tech.
So I started programming a couple years ago. I really like playing video games and was like, I want to make one. So I all of a sudden had this idea, I woke up with this idea of a game and then was like, I'm going to learn how to make games. And then I started learning the Unity game engine, C#, object-oriented principles, and then I started making games.
But I hope one day I'll be able to sit down, see a problem, and be able to say, I can code this easily and without a lot of bugs and without a lot of research, and just sit down and be able to write it.
To become a better programmer, to figure out how to provide value to real clients. And I really appreciate the way the Academy is structured to incentivize that, where you can jump into doing real work after you finish the immersion phase and apprentice under craftsmen who have been creating great software for a long time.
There's a lot. I really don't know what I'm going to learn. And I guess that's kind of exciting for me, is that I think I'm going to be able to pick up a lot of things that I wouldn't expect I would enjoy or like. But really, my end goal is, what I'm really excited to learn is how to make things that I enjoy, that can either help me in my life or the people that I care about. I think that that's the best thing. The actual process of making things is really fun and cool for me, but what's even better is to present that to somebody and it be able to help them in their life. This is just awesome.
I'm most excited just work with other people because I mostly just coded by myself. So learning how to use GitHub with other people, that sounds really fun to me.
Check back with us over the next few weeks as we follow this year's cohort through their journey. sharing their learning and insights along the way.